Hello everyone, it's Leah from Dime Culture, and in today's video, I'm going to show you me painting this landscape. But before I get started in today's topic, I just want to point out I did find this landscape on Unsplash.com, so I'll leave some links in the description section below. And yeah, let's just get right into today's topic at hand. Now, I'm here to help you guys, process and use art for healing. Because I'm a firm believer that being creative, using art is very helpful. And if you follow me here at Dime Culture, you know that because I've mentioned it many times before. But I also know that right now, life is very scary, very different. So I want to bring out new resources to help you. And along the process of me thinking out what I should be doing, I also want to get your feedback because not only do I want to follow my own heart and do what I'm passionate about, but I also want to provide you with something that you're interested in. Which is why I went to Instagram the other week to ask some questions, to leave a comment box open. But I found that it was very spammy. Like the people that did respond all responded no to everything. And then when they got to the actual comment box where I was asking for feedback, all I got was spam, them wanting me to go to their feed and follow them or buy their products. So it wasn't exactly helpful for me to help you, which is why in today's video, I'm also going to be talking about what I was thinking and see if I can, if you guys are up to giving me some feedback. So here's what I was thinking. I was thinking of creating a page on my website that was just full of resources to help you. So they're all going to be free. They're not going to be paid for. So you could have a drawing booklet or a step 2 how to paint a certain type of landscape painting or how to do a certain type of flower booklet. Or even just say a PDF file of a bunch of reference photos that I found on Unsplash, something just simple like that to give you photos, to help you find photos to use during your healing time. Because there's nothing worse than knowing that you need to sit down, process how you're feeling, and then stare at a blank page and just not know what to put down. So, I could do that for you as well as just create booklets of reference photos. And what I'm going to do actually in this video is, if I'm able, I'm going to put a poll up at the top. I'm also going to just say, in the comment section, let me know what you're thinking. And if you are not comfortable with putting out a comment, very publicly for other people to see, you could go to me on Dime Culture on Instagram and send me a message and let me know what you're thinking, what kind of resources would help you during your healing with art time. Before we end, because this is a short video, I just want to point out that the art supplies that I'm using in this video are the ones from my art supply haul video that I just posted last week. I'm really enjoying painting with these colors. I know it's not it's like not a typical landscape color palette, and I'm really I'm having so much fun. I've painted so far, I want to say about 4 or 5 landscapes to date from me recording this voiceover with these colors now, and I'm loving it so much. Okay, enough gushing about colors. That's pretty much it, guys. So before the video ends, I just want to say thank you so much for following me here at Dime Culture. And hello to all the new followers here and subscribers. You're all amazing. I hope that you really enjoy the content that's coming out. And this is a two-way conversation. So you always, leave comments. Let me know what you're thinking. I'm here to help you guys. And before this all ends, let's take a moment to just close our eyes, take a deep breath in, let the air out, be present in the moment for a second, let all that bad energy out, shake it out if you need to. Okay. Thank you once again. And until next time, everyone, I want to say stay magical and have fun creating.